The LLC is the most popular business structure in America for good reason. Today, I'm explaining how LLCs work, when the protection fails, and how to avoid piercing that corporate veil and losing your liability protection. A limited liability company creates a legal separation between you and your business. Why do most small businesses choose to be LLCs? Liability protection is the main reason. An LLC can shield your personal assets from business liabilities. Flexible management is another huge reason. You can structure it however you want, such as member managed or manager managed, multiple membership levels, adding a board of directors, etc. Pass-through taxation is another great LLC benefit. There's no entity level tax. Income flows through to your personal return. That makes it easy. But you're not stuck with that. An LLC provides tax flexibility. You can elect S-Corp taxation later if it becomes advantageous. An LLC also has less formality in corporations. You don't have to have regular meetings, strict corporate minutes aren't required, and ongoing compliance is simpler. But here's the critical part. LLCs do require proper maintenance. To keep those fortress walls strong and intact, you must keep business and personal finances completely separate, maintain a separate business bank account, file your annual reports on time, and have an operating agreement even if you're the only member, and stay in good standing with your state. Another thing to do is use that LLC name properly in all contracts and documents. If you don't maintain these formalities, you risk piercing the corporate veil. What is piercing the corporate veil? It's when a court decides your LLC is just your alter ego and strips away the liability protection, making you personally liable for business debts. This can happen when you mix personal and business finances, pay personal expenses from the business account, fail to maintain proper records, don't file annual reports, undercapitalize the business, such as using it as a shell with no real assets, or commit fraud through the LLC. The fortress walls only work if you maintain them. The LLC is the right choice for most small businesses, but you must treat it like a separate entity. For a complete discussion of which entity to choose when you're forming your business, watch all 3 of my main videos this week. Avoid the legal horrors and keep rocking your IP. If you're ready to protect your brand and business, book a consultation at kingpatentlaw.com. I'm Julie King with King Patent Law. Thanks for watching. But this is not legal advice, and I'm not your lawyer. For advice about your specific situation, consult with a licensed attorney.